Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan GTR 50 and this is by Italdesign, and this is from Tomica and this is from their premium series, and this is a 1:63 scale. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here is the closer look at the box. I really wanted to buy this one for a very long time. So now Tomica is back in India as well. So I went and bought this one, and I bought this for a discounted price, I think around 549 rupees or so. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, this also has two pieces. Okay, here it goes. Okay, don't need to press or anything. Okay, here is a closer look. It is a metallic gray paint. The paint job is really awesome. It is flawless actually. The rims looks really cool. And again, I bought this for somewhere around 549 rupees. It's not even more than that. For the price range, this looks really amazing. I really wish they had some kind of fiber for the headlights and tail lights. So they just painted on it. And the wheels are actually made of plastic. But it has some great detailing to it. Okay, this part is actually plastic. This is not metal, the spoiler. But this upper body is actually metal. And this lower body, the chassis is actually made of plastic. But it looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Yeah, it's okay. Rolls okay, it is not even good. But anyway, again, we are not going to play with this one. We are just going to use it as a showpiece. And this looks really beautiful. So if you guys have any questions on these models which I'm unboxing, you can drop me in the comment section. I will answer it for you guys. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.